Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a login page in Java for beginners in 2024. So today we're going to learn how to create a login page using Java. This tutorial, of course, is perfect for those who just starting out with Java and will help you understand the basics of building, example, a graphical user interface. So follow along as we build a simple yet effective login page. So make sure to stick by and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser example. And of course, if you're a beginner, you'll definitely need the help of ChatGPT. So go to this URL section, just go and type basically chat.openai.com and hit the enter button. This should take you right away into ChatGPT. Make sure to log in into an account if you have one. If you don't, go and create a new one because this will save your chat if you want to always come back to it or something like that. And first, of course, make sure that you have a Java development kit installed on your computer. You can download the latest GDK or Java development kit from the official Oracle website. Once you have the GDK installed, you will need an integrated development environment IDE like there is the IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, or even NetBeans. Download and install your preferred IDE, and you'll be good to start. So I'll not show you like the exact steps. I'll here just show you how to use ChatGPT to create a new one. We'll test the code also on an online compiler, and of course, you can do the rest by your own. So for you, if you go and install your IDE, make sure to open your IDE and create a new Java object. And as an example, if you're using IntelliJ IDEA, you can go to File, then New, then Projects, select Java, name your project, as an example, a login system, and choose a location to save it. And then click on Finish to create a project. Then next, you'll need to create, of course, the login from form using Java Swing. Create a new Java class named login form and add, like, as an example, a code. Where you will get that code from, as an example, you can simply ask ChatGPT. So here, I'll just ask ChatGPT. So, how to create? So how to create a login page using Java? As simple as that. Hit the enter button and I'll wait for the answer. So as an example, he'll show you even step-by-step guide as an example. So first of all, he's giving you an example code. And first of all, of course, before he telling you to set up to your project, import necessary packages, create the GUI, sorry, and handle events also. And then he's giving you a code. So I'll just copy that code as an example. He's giving you explanations for everything. As an example, I'll just try this code in a compiler. So I'll just go here, open new tab, go and type Java compiler, hit the enter button. I'll try like multiple ones in case one of them didn't work. So here we'll try this code, click on run and see what's going to be looking like. So this is giving us an error. For example, let me just try another one or the other ones as example in case like they have a problem or something like that. So I'll just go here and click on run. So, okay, there is like a problem here also. What about this one? So I'll just test them out because sometimes like it's work on some like compilers and others no. So here I'll just go and click on run. I'll try the last one and then as an example here. So yeah, here is execute. So as you can see, every one of them, it seems like give the same thing. So the same problem. So I'll just go take that problem as an example, copy it, go back to ChatGPT. So I got this problem when I try to test it out in an online compiler. As simple as that. Hit the enter button. And as you can see, often have limitations, specifically in etc. So, however, you can try the following examples: steps to troubleshoot and test your code locally on your machine. For example, running Java Swing application locally. Or you can download, of course, from Oracle website, as we said before. You then set up an IDE, create a new project, and etc. I'll just go here and type, "Can you give me a Java code for login page to test it out in an online compiler. As simple as that. As you can see, here is giving us a code. I'll just wait for the code until it's finished. Then I'll copy the code. As you can see, when they give you the code, they give the explanation. Now let me just try this code out. Run and see if it's gonna work. Like it's gonna work or not. So here's still not like as example, enter username. We'll just type hello and see if something. Yeah, enter password. Like I don't know. I'll just type something like that. Hit the enter button. Invalid username password. So it seems like a little bit working. So normally the correct one is this admin and password. As example, I'll just go here and try it out on another place. Maybe I'll just leave this. What about this one? As example, click on run. Okay, this one got us an error, so I'll just leave this and paste this one here. Click on run and wait for the code until it's executed. So let's go back to the first one, of course, and run it from the beginning. It's not working also. So yeah, this one told me to enter username. So here I'll just go and type, oh sorry. I'll just try here and type admin, hit the enter button. And for the password, I'll type password, hit the enter button. As you can see, once I type the correct username and password, I got the login successful. So that's, as you can see, how to create a login page. Of course, you can change that, as example, to example, I'll just type here this, and the password should be from 1 to 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here I'll just click on run, type this in the username, password I'll type from 1 to 9, then click on enter. So as you can see, login successful. It's working. So that's how you basically create a login page using Java. Basically, as I said before, just follow the steps that ChatGPT told you, and you'll have to insert that code, and you will create your login page using Java. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.